In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a lawn care website for free. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is none other than Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up, and it is also beginner friendly and has numerous features. So you're going to go on to wix.com and you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you can sign up using your Google account. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Create New Site, what I want you to do next is tap on Set Up Without Chat. Then from here, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to simply type in lawn care. You can do that real quick. So let me do that. And you can see lawn care service, lawn mowing service. You can see the different categories that you can choose from. After you have done that, you're going to tap on continue. Then you'll be redirected to your new dashboard. On your new dashboard, you're going to enter in your business name. So you can enter in your business name right here. Then you could add in your business address if you want and tap on continue. After you have done that, you can set up your working hours. So whether your business will be open 5 days, 6 days, or 7 days per week, you can select that. And you can set the time that your business will be open. Then you will tap on continue. After you have done that, you can see some preloaded services that they recommend. So you can select any one of these services that you plan on offering. If you don't see a service that you plan on offering, you can tap on Create New Service and you could create a new service. Then you're going to tap on Continue. From here, you can add in your staff member's name and email address. Then tap on Continue once more. And do you plan on accepting payments online? If that is the case, you can select this. If you plan on accepting payments in person, you can select this also. Then tap on Continue. Then select Continue to Dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I'll be showing you how to edit the services that you have added and also how to set up your payment options. So the first thing you're going to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Catalog. Once you have selected Catalog, you're going to see all of the services that you have added. Now to edit them, you can quickly hover over it and tap on Edit. From here, you'll be able to set the price that you would like to charge. You can also change the cover image if you want, the name, the tagline, or so on. You can also change the duration of the service as you can see right here. Now, let's say we would like to change the price of this to, for example, $100. You can do that real quick. You can enter in your price right there. You could also assign it to a particular staff member by scrolling down. You can assign it to a staff member. Then you're going to tap on Save. Now that you have added your services and you have edited the prices, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to hover over Getting Paid. Then you're going to tap on Connect and Set Up. From here, you'll be able to tap on Connect Payment Method. And depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. For example, I can connect TillaPay, PayPal, and other payment options by tapping on See More Payment Options right here. Now, if I were to change my location, for example, let's say I were to change it to Canada, for example's sake, you'll realize that I'm now provided with a whole different set of payment options that I'll be able to offer my customers. As you can see right there, I can now offer Afterpay, AAA, and so on. So it all depends on the country you're located in. Once you're finished setting up the payment options, you'll tap on Set Up in the top left-hand corner, then select Design Site in the top right-hand corner. Once on this page, we're going to tap on Customize a Template, so you're going to tap on Pick a Template right here. And normally I would recommend one of their best matches. So let's say for example this one, you're going to simply tap on Edit. After you have tapped on edit, from here you can tap on, you can see the option choosing a new design will create a brand new site and your site, and we're going to tap on create new site. After you have tapped on create new site, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to add your own personal touches. So at the moment, this is how our website looks. Let me close this box real quick. Now this is how our website looks. The first thing I would normally do once on the editor page is tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. From here you can scroll down, and to make any changes all you have to do is simply tap on the section that you would like to change. So for example, let's say we would like to change this image. You could tap on the image, then select change background, and from there you could tap on image and you could upload an image. You can edit each text section by simply tapping on it. You will see the option edit text and you can edit the text. It is as easy as that. And if you don't see a feature that you would like to add, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner and you can see all of the different elements that you can quickly add to your Wix website. Once you're finished, you can view the different pages by tapping on home in the top left hand corner. For example, we could go onto the services page and you can view the different services as you can see right here. Now, if we were to tap on preview, you can get a better look at how our website is at the moment. So for example, if a customer were to come on it and tap on book now, from here they can choose the date, they can choose the time, then tap on next, and then they'll be asked to pay. And that's it. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish and your website will now be live. Keep in mind, to accept payments on your Wix website, you will need to upgrade and go onto their paid plan. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative, and even their paid plan is definitely worth it as it is very affordable compared to other features and other platforms.